In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Panda Express coupon code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is go to pandaexpress.com. Now from here, make sure to log in or sign up on the top right hand corner. And then just go ahead and make your order as you normally would. So I'm going to order a balanced protein meal, protein plates here. So pretty much we need to get to the checkout section, payment section, to add in this coupon code. So I'm just going to go the process of ordering this meal. I'm going to click this double protein plate, got it with steamed rice, add to order, no thank you. And now there's my bag. All right, here's my order. On the right hand side, if we scroll down, there's an option here to add a coupon code. So enter in your coupon code and click add. And if that coupon code is 20% off, you're going to get 20% off your total order. If it's for $5, it's going to get subtract $5 from your order. And then simply click on checkout and purchase your Panda Express as you normally would by entering your card details to complete your purchase.